So today was an interesting day. We were supposed to be on a job that got canceled due to windstorms, which was very disappointing. The good news is, I don't think there was like property damage to anything or anybody that we are aware of. We just can't have any power. And if we don't have power, how are we gonna do our job? So it got canceled, but never fear, because we are gonna go buy makeup and get coffee. We're gonna go get coffee.
Large.
Large.
Can I have a large iced tea unsweetened?
Large unsweet iced tea?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I have a medium caramel iced coffee with 2 pumps of the caramel and cream?
Your total's me 507. Please pull around.
Thank you.
Now you know what she drinks. If she ever hires you, you can get her beverage. That's how she likes her coffee, just so you know.
I like it the same way hot, FYI.
Uh-huh. What else are we gonna do?
I would love to get my nails done.
Oh,
because
shoot.
I got like an inch of regrowth here.
They don't look that bad. They're pretty though.
Like the thumbs are the worst though, look at that.
Yeah, well, mine look terrible just because I'm hard on them and I beat them up. And you have the dip powder.
Did the dip.
She do the dip. I do the old school ratchet acrylic fake nails. That's the kind of stuff I'm on right now. It's okay. Can I swear? I could bleep it out.
Yeah,
Out. That's the kind of one. Mm-hmm. Yep. You shopping for sunglasses at a red light? That's how she rolls. I think you need to try these.
It's like a Snapchat filter.
It is like a Snapchat.
I just need freckles.
Try that. That's where it's at.
I have Burberry sunglasses that look just like that.
They're heart shaped.
Guess what?
Do it.
Buy a stand right now.
If you don't buy those, I'll be real sad.
These like highlighters. So pretty.
That's not a strobing drop. Stop it. Girl, I'm all about a strobing drop. Yes. We talk about the disappointment of Charlotte Tilbury's collection being literally this big.
This is really pretty.
What is that? Oh, that's the contour and light, sculpt and light, or whatever it is.
It looks a little pale though. This magic cream.
Is it magical? Oh, do they have Scent of a Dream tester? I kind of actually want to try that. I don't know why.
I don't see
My phone. Yeah, I don't have one for real. Well, I want to get a tripod for the camera. It's called a gorilla alligator gorilla pod.
Does it clip on and stuff?
It like hugs suction cups and it wraps around and it does all kinds of stuff. It's legit. Because you can, yeah, it's cool. I do not want to deal with this.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fun. It's
Go
gonna be
into it with a positive attitude.
I know. It'll be a good time.
My hair needs a hairbrush right now. I'm having a lot of pain. I did not put this thing here. My husband. I don't like shit hanging.
He done wrapped it around real good. Yeah, he's like 3 times. Not once.
Like,
3 times. Just right there for a sec. Just for a minute.
I don't hang stuff there.
Look at all those bobby pins. Oh my god, that's fun.
So it was a successful day.
That was
I
fun.
probably could have spent hundreds of more dollars on things,
Yes.
but I had to check myself. I mean, I returned something. I got the ones I wanted. We got some Underoos.
We did draws, man.
Yes. And,
I mean,
you know, we browsed
got
some
it,
new
yeah.
products.
Are you gonna get that Lancome powder?
I think I am. Because here's the thing. Well, I don't know if I like it because they didn't have a tester out there. But from the reviews, you know, of course, when there's a new makeup product, I go to the YouTube to see what people are saying about it, and I feel like it's not really marketed to younger girls. It's more marketed to,
Yep.
I don't want to say mature women, but like, you know, it's not marketed to 20-year-old girls.
No.
So I'm not a 20-year-old girl, so I feel like that idea of the powder just sounds like it's right up my alley. So,
but the reason I think it's probably the reason I like it is because I think a lot of their stuff is geared for drier skin, aka mature, aka not matte. I'd like a little luminosity, please. The thing I don't love about their stuff is the fragrance. God almighty, it's so smelly. Other than that, well,
YSL's that way too. I don't like that.
Well, and Chanel, same. Although I like the smell of their
Even L'Oreal lipsticks to me are like.
Well, if you didn't read the blog about drugstore, get on that. Because link below. Because let me tell you what, there is a fountain of good information. Ah! Good morning. We're riding through the city. I'm not with Rachel today, but I am with Dana Trantas, the brushing bride. Dana is currently driving through the city of Baltimore like she does it for a living. You should be a cab driver, like in your next life. I feel like you could drive a cab. Dana's a hair magician. She's the nicest person you'll ever meet, and I'm super lucky to be able to travel with her today because we don't get to spend much time together. We text each other all the time. We're always on the phone, but we never get to like hit the streets.
I feel the same way.
We're having a wedding today. It's going to be a lovely day. It's a nice size. It's at the Indigo Hotel.
They're getting ready at the Indigo, and the reception's at the Belvedere.
Oh, that's so nice.
Eliza's wedding.
So exciting. So we might be able, Eliza has very nicely allowed us to shoot some footage while we're at our wedding. So y'all get to see a little behind the scenes of what goes on and what we get up to when we work for a day. So I will link all of Dana's information. So if you need a hair wizard for your wedding day, you know who to call. Okay, so the camera died. We got in. I filmed some really cool pictures of the lobby, which was awesome, and then we get to the room and the camera died. That's all right. It was my first wedding of this year. How many have you had?
It's my first one too.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh my God, Happy New Year. That's so cool.
Yes.
I did not know that. Oh, that's so good. Well, anyway, we didn't really get to see live footage of like the actual, but I will insert the Insta story so you can see that because that was really pretty. That was fun.
Yes.
So now I'm shooting this on my phone because the camera died. But as of Monday, we'll have a new camera. So we'll be ready to go. Yeah, that's all we have. It was a lovely day. The weather is beautiful. The bride was beautiful.
Covered in hairspray.
Covered in hairspray. I've got makeup all over myself. I now feel properly dressed. We made it out in really good time. Everyone's blissful. She looks beautiful.
Yes. It was a wonderful, wonderful day.
It was a wonderful day.
We're back. It's Sunday, March 4th. March 4th. 3-4. We are headed to a makeup job together. Megan will be doing hair.
That's true. That's what I'll be doing.
And I will be doing makeup. A little bit different of a service today, which is not something we typically do. But we are glamming over some 6-year-olds just for fun, just some glitter and some, you know, some shimmer on these girls, a little blush, and just make their day. So it's a little bit more lighthearted and fun, but very different for us. But nonetheless, it's work and we are excited. So
Disney princesses, here we come.
yes.
This is my jam. Girl, I found it.
He's coming in the back way.
I am queen of the back way. Rob! Honey!
Come get my shit.
I'll get it for you. Don't bother him. He's probably on a roll getting shit together. What is this little light? I didn't want to run over that light thing.
Oh god, I have more packages. Rob's gonna shoot me.
Maybe you don't know.
I think it's Alex's baby shower gift though.
Did I turn the car off? What's going on? Okay, let's turn this off too.